Hi guys, are you looking for the best cat litter scoops? In this video, we'll explore top 5 scoops designed to make litter cleaning easier. From durable metal options for tough clumps to ergonomic designs that reduce strain, we've got you covered. Whether you need something budget-friendly or high-end, we'll break down the pros and cons to help you choose the perfect scoop for your cat's litter box. Stay tuned for helpful tips. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any future delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. iPremio Cat Litter Scooper with Deep Shovel. Despite being composed of aluminum, the iPremio Cat Litter Scooper features a non-stick coating, just like a pan. The manufacturer even recommends occasionally spraying it with cooking spray. This makes it easier for cat feces that has become adhered to surfaces to shake off. Along with having a broad and deep sifting shovel, the iPremio non-stick scooper performs similarly to our best overall choice. It has some advantages such as sturdy handle, easy to clean, and comes with its own holder. However, the iPremio Cat Litter Scoop Metal with Deep Shovel is a must-have for cat owners seeking durability, convenience, and efficiency. Its innovative design combines a sifter and shovel, making cleaning easier with less shaking required. The ergonomic grip and reinforced edge add comfort, while the solid aluminum construction ensures long-lasting use. For an excellent scooping experience, the iPremio Scoop stands out as a top choice. Number 2. DuraScoop Original Cat Litter Scoop. In addition to being long-lasting, simple to use, and easy to clean, our favorite cat litter scoop is also quite good at getting rid of waste from a variety of cat litters. A single piece of rust-proof aluminum makes up the Duranimal's DuraScoop Original Cat Litter Scoop, eliminating the possibility of the handle breaking off while in use. In addition to making daily scooping easier because it won't bend no matter how deep you scoop, this also ensures that the DuraScoop will last for many years. Finger grooves and a thumb stop are features of the ergonomic, non-slip, phthalate-free, soft, and comfortable grip. You can scoop more effectively without putting undue strain on your arms or wrists thanks to the strong grip. Because you can comb through a large area of your litter box at once, the wide sifting scoop also increases efficiency. Because of this, the Duranimal's Litter Scoop is especially great for homes with several cats. There is a noticeable difference when compared to typical litter scoops, but using the Duranimals to sort through large litter piles can need a bit more muscle because to the wide, deep scoop. Number 3. Yangbaga Metal Cat Litter Scoop. Designed for comfort, the Yangbaga Metal Cat Litter Scoop has foam padding at the top of the handle and an extendable reach that allows you to scoop from a more convenient distance. The handle's length can be easily changed from 16.4 to 32.8 inches, or nearly 3 feet. The shovel has a depth of 2 inches and a generous 5-inch sifting surface. This scoop is constructed of sturdy stainless steel. Heavy-duty scooping can be done with lots of space, although the handle's strength decreases with length. In order to keep the Yangbaga Metal Litter Scoop from being overloaded, we advise scooping and dropping into the trash more frequently. Number 4. Pet Fusion Quick Scoop Cat Litter Scoop. With pellet litters, not every scoop performs effectively. Slats that are too small will prevent clean pellets from passing through during sifting, which could result in the unintentional disposal of clean litter. With its sufficiently wide slats for pellet litters, the Pet Fusion Quick Scoop can also be used with regular clumping cat litters. Compared to typical polypropylene cat litter scoops, this one is stronger because it is composed of ABS plastic. In order to scrape effectively, particularly in the corners, the front edge is thin, flat, and pointed. Because of its high sides, the shovel will reduce waste while you sift. Additionally, it offers an ergonomic, pleasant grip. The Pet Fusion Quick Scoop Large Cat Litter Scoop offers a smart and hygienic solution for litter box cleaning. Its flat, sharp edge scoops easily beneath litter, while the durable ABS plastic and non-stick coating ensure lasting performance and easy cleaning. High walls prevent litter scatter, and the ergonomic handle provides comfort. Ideal for various types of litter, it's a durable and efficient tool that ensures superior hygiene for your cat's litter box. Number 5. Sprinkle and Sweep Premium Heavy-Duty Cat Litter Box Scooper. Getting rid of litter box clumping is made easier and faster with the Sprinkle and Sweep Litter Box Scooper. With its sturdy steel tines and broad 6.5-inch sifting breadth, you can easily separate the clumps and dispose of the litter in its proper place. This scooper also reduces the amount of dust released while maintaining the integrity of clumps. The overall scooping experience is simple, which contributes to the litter's longer useful life. Smaller bits of clumps and cat excrement can fall back into the box since the area between the tines is comparatively bigger than with other scoops. The handle is composed of sturdy beechwood, and in contrast to other scoopers, it features a docking port that you can put the scooper in after use. Thanks for watching. I make useful videos daily. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please read my description if you require any additional information or would like to know the product's price. For any type of problem, please comment below. Keep up with our awesome items.